Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can permanently delete our Facebook account. So for that, open up your Facebook account and go to your profile. After that, open up your settings, then go to your privacy settings. Here you will find this option of your Facebook information. Just click on it. Then scroll down, and at the very end you will be able to see this option of activation and deletion. Just click on view. After that, just select this option of delete account, and this will be permanent. Just select it and click on continue to account deletion. After that, you will be requiring your password, and after giving out your password to Facebook as a verification that it is actually you who is going to delete your Facebook account, you will be able to delete your Facebook account. So this is how you delete your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.